Hey guys, once again welcome back to the channel. We will discuss about Raheem Sterling and his controversial penalty against Wolves today in the Premier League, as Manchester City were awarded a controversial penalty against Wolves despite VAR replays showing the ball hitting Joao Moutinho armpit. Sterling scored his 100th Premier League goal in a controversial fashion today, guys, after City were awarded a controversial penalty 100% against Wolves. And of course, Sterling broke the deadlock from 12 yards, hitting the goal in 66 minutes after Joao Moutinho was judged to have handled the ball. And referee John Moss pointed to the penalty kick after being of the view that he had stopped the ball with his arm. Moutinho instantly reacted furious by declaring that it had in fact hit his armpit, as his teammates appealed for the decision to be overturned. The decision went to video assistant referee, with replays backing up Moutinho's claim that it was his armpit that the ball connected with in fact. But VAR refused to overturn referee decision with a penalty standing against Wolves. So the penalty, guys, was standing on against Wolves. And of course, Sterling opened the scoring in 66 minutes, scoring from the penalty spot. But social media and fans have reacted, describing Manchester City penalty against Wolves as a joke.